At sunrise, the production day begins at one of the world's most iconic chocolate makers, Cadbury. Behind these walls, precision, science, and craftsmanship come together to create the unmistakable taste of dairy milk chocolate. The journey begins with carefully selected cocoa beans, sourced from trusted farms around the world and delivered in bulk to the factory floor. The beans are slowly roasted in large rotating drums, unlocking the deep aroma and rich flavor hidden inside each shell. After roasting, the beans are cracked open, their outer shells are removed, leaving behind cocoa nibs, the pure heart of chocolate. These nibs are ground into a thick flowing cocoa liquor, forming the essential base of every chocolate bar. Fresh milk and fine sugar are blended with the cocoa liquor in massive mixing vats, creating the creamy foundation that defines dairy milk. The mixture then enters the conching stage, a slow, continuous kneading process that refines texture and enhances smoothness. Next comes tempering, a precise heating and cooling cycle that gives chocolate its glossy finish and satisfying snap. The liquid chocolate is poured into signature bar molds, measured perfectly for consistent size and weight. Gentle vibrations remove any trapped air, ensuring each bar forms flawlessly smooth. The molds travel through cooling tunnels, where controlled temperatures allow the chocolate to set evenly. Once solidified, the bars are released from their molds, revealing their rich shine and iconic shape. Every bar passes through strict quality checks, inspected carefully to meet the highest standards. High-speed machines wrap each bar in its instantly recognizable purple packaging. The branding is printed with precision, ensuring every wrapper reflects the identity trusted by millions. Robotic systems then stack and pack the finished bars into cartons, preparing them for shipment. Inside the warehouse, thousands of bars await distribution to stores around the world. From loading docks, trucks carry these cartons across cities, countries, and continents. But the journey began long before the factory, with cocoa farmers cultivating pods under tropical skies. Sustainable sourcing partnerships help ensure quality cocoa while supporting farming communities. Back inside the factory, technology and tradition continue to work side by side. Every stage is monitored with precision, temperature, timing, and texture carefully controlled.
Easy with that pallet! Straps tight.
This is so yummy! Here, have another one. Wow, more please!
This is the best, Dad.